Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a tutorial of Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, there's a 30-day trial in the description below. Okay, so first thing you want to do is open up Photoshop. If this comes where you click yes. So click File and then click New. So if your workspace is different than this 1920 and the height should be 1080, and then the resolution you can keep it anything you want. So I keep my background content as transparent, so just hit create. It takes a second. Okay, so put there. So okay, so you hit file, open pictures. Yeah, you put pictures, and I created a thing for my stuff. So I open up this or unlock it. So unlock. So the first thing you're gonna see is the move tool. So it's just like it's self-explanatory. You just move it. So this is the I let's see. It's oh, it's like if you wanna take a mask, yeah, if you want to mask the upper specific area, leaving out all of this, you can do that. There are like different shapes. There's a rectangle one or a square one, and there is like a row one, so you could make like that. So moving on to the lasso tool. So the lasso tool, you can make anything. So it's like a selection. You can move it around, and you can hand draw it. So you could go like this, this, and that. So it's over like you can move it and stuff. And this is the quick selection tool. This is the quick selection tool. So hit this select and do that. So right there. This like if you want to select something, you have to hold your mouse button, and if you click Alt, it will turn to a minus key. So if you only want the sky, you have to click Alt and then click right there. Okay, so just remove all of that. And so if you want to get the precise measurement, I recommend to use polygon lasso tool. So look, so it just cuts everything, not everything, but like the selection you have got. So there, and right there. So look, it created a simple bigger line. So there. So in this space, you can do anything you want. So you can mask it. So you can mask it, or you can save it in paths. Well, it's for the pen tool. So and there's another one, a magic wand tool. Let's just select. Wait, deselect. No wait. Yeah. Control D, and this is the magic wand. It just selects the it's like automatic, so you can't like access it. Like it just selects some random parts. So this is the crop tool. So wait, let me wait. Oh, so wait, boom. So so it deselect. So the crop tool, you can just crop. So you could do like, wait, no, bye. Yeah, so you can crop it if you want it only this much. You can have only this much. So it's like a wheel. So if you hold shift, it will just like, it won't go up and down. So yeah, and there. So this, which I really like, it's okay. It's like a frame. If you want to put a frame, so, ooh, what's this? Eh. So frame tool. So wait, do that. So if you want a specific area, like here, you can frame it. So once you frame it, yeah, you frame it. So if you don't want the frame, you could just hit like Control Z to undo it. And the eyedropper tool, it selects the paint. So paint, and there's a paintbrush tool too, so you can just paint over it. And there's a spot healing brush tool. I'm not gonna go all over these because like it's complicated and more stuff. So the spot healing tool is if you hold Alt, you take a sample, or no, wait. So if you don't want that, so you do that, and then see it's gone. So it just mixes it with another what do you call? Yeah, it mixes it with another color like this to make it look like normal. So look, no more clouds, and see, you can make a cool design with it like show it. Oh, okay. So yeah, so just just make it back. So the paintbrush tool. So you can select, you can have the eyedropper by holding Alt. Okay, Alt, and then you could select what color you want. Like I want this color, so I could just paint. Like if you hold Shift and click on one dot and you put that, you could do that. So that's another handy tool. So it, I, you could just paint with that. And yeah, let me undo it. And the clone stamp tool. So, oh, sorry. Um, you want to take a sample from right here, and you can just like, it's cloning it. So wait, right there, and yeah. So just keep doing that. So until you want the thing you want. So wait. So not the thing, but like until you want the color. So there, it's all like dark blue. The color was down there. So wait, let me just no, not that, erase it. But let's see. Yeah. So you after you do that, there's a history brush tool. I also don't know what this does, but I think after you paint it, then history brush, it just like redoes it. And the eraser tool, it's the thing as it sounds. It erases stuff. So yeah, it erases stuff. And this is like the fill tool. So so you want to choose a color, choose any color you want. Like I'll choose red. So look, yeah, it fills the background with that. So moving on, it's the smudge tool. So wait, crap, soft round. There, smudge tool. It smudges it. So I'm not a big fan of that. So there are different here. This is the blur tool. So it blurs stuff, and dodge. So this is the thing below. So wait, so yeah, it just makes some stuff lighter like this, like that. See? So there. So the next is the pen tool. Next is the pen tool. So if you want to mask stuff out, like not mask but like make a path, you can go here. I will make another video on the pen tool and all other things. So there, you can like make a path. So wait, so there. So if you click, if you hold, yeah. So if you see that, you can move the thing. Like you can move. See how thing it's gonna create. So like this. If you want to move it. So Alt, if you hold Alt, you can make another like line, I think. Or yeah, you can move that too. So let me redo it. So if you have the paths thing, so if you want the path, if it saves it for you. Okay, so you go to Window and then you go. There are a lot of stuff here, so just play around with it if you want it. So there is the where. Oh, so wait, huh? So it's in Windows, somewhere in Windows. I forgot where in Windows, but it's like somewhere in Windows. Yeah, tools, I think. No, not tools. Oof. Okay, that. So Windows, it's somewhere here. That's what I know. So moving on, the text tool. Go. You could just go. Oh, what? So you can. You can. It's a text tool. You can just write your like. Hello. You can write like that, and yeah, that's the text tool. This is the path selection tool. So like you see those path. Wait, let me zoom out. You see the path. Wait, yeah, you see the path. You can move the path. So yeah, let me just deselect the path, delete path. And this is like a rectangle, like rectangle tool. You can make squares, and well, let's see. You can make square. You can give what color you want to it. You can delete it too. So just hit the delete button. This is the hand tool. You know, just to move around. Whee, like that. The zoom tool. So you can zoom in and out. So I just use Control plus and minus so it zooms for you. And if you're on any other tool, if you hold spacebar, you can use the hand tool without going all the way here and moving it and here. So there. And yeah. So so you can, so there are different, so for the pen tool, they're different. So there's a curvature pen. You go that, here, and here. So it just makes a circle. And on I use the pen tool because you can like you can make angles, so like that. But yeah, so there are more than like there is a add anchor thing. You have to choose it. So curvature is the thing I just showed you. So right there. And freeform. So it's basically just like drawing. I'm on a mouse, so I can't draw like that good, but let's see. So look, so you could do like that. It has a, what do you call, yeah. So you can make a selection, just hit OK and stuff. It's for a selection, it's just like the, what do you call, quick selection tool. You can make a selection by that. So let me show you like another like another thing for the, what do you call, pen tool. So I just got Dream here. You know Dream. So if you don't know, he's a big Minecraft YouTuber. So for the thing, you can like you can make all like stuff like that and make a selection tool. No. So yeah. Well, so you can paint if you want. Oh yeah, and there are stuff like this for if you want like linear dodge. So it gives you a cool effect. Let's see. Let's try this color and see. And the normal one is like this though. It's kind of the same, but yeah. So yeah, it's kind of the same. So there's different stuff like darken, well, not necessarily. So it doesn't work on like images, but for a new like layer, you can see the normal one and see it's changing colors. So look, lighten, darker color like that. You can have a what do you call? You can have a what do you call? A preview of what you're gonna see. So use saturation and lighten. So for glowing things, I mostly use this. Well, you need like like there. Well, it's not gonna work here. So wait, let me show you on this tab. So you go here and you have the color you want. Okay, so yeah, so first you start off with the brightest color. I'm gonna make another video about it, so it's gonna be later in the future. So there, well, no, change here. You can like mix. You can just paint if you want into a new thing. So here, and that's it. That's it for this video. So bye bye.
Can I put my, is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my lips on your skin, babe?